Good morning. Myself Dr. Vinita Verma, Assistant Professor of Computer Science in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University of Agriculture and Technology, Meerut. Today my topic is scientific computing. Scientific computing is a course which is offered for BTech Biotechnology 3rd year in our university. In this we studied MATLAB programming. In MATLAB programming, I will take a topic data types in MATLAB. First of all, what is data types? Data types is nothing but how we can store a data in a computer, in which form we can store a data in a computer. Like we can store a data in numeric character or string styles. So, data types in every programming language they have different data types. In MATLAB we have basically 6 data types. These are, first one is scalars, second is characters, third one is arrays, fourth one is string, fifth one is cell arrays, and sixth one is structures. Now, what are scalars? In different programming language, numeric data can be defined by different data types. Suppose in C programming, numeric data can be represented by integer value, floating point value, and so on. But in MATLAB programming, scalars, integer, floats, and complex numbers are representing in scalars. There is a facility in MATLAB programming. In other programming language, we can't take complex numbers, but in MATLAB programming we can take complex numbers also. What are complex numbers? Complex numbers are which we present x plus iy form, where x is a real part and y is the imaginary part. Complex numbers is also known as imaginary numbers. And there are some examples of scalars data types, like 4. It is an integer. What are integers? Integers are whole or complete numbers. Or 5 plus i4, this is, as I already explained, this is complex number or imaginary number. Or minus 3.57, this is a floating point number. Floating point number means decimal numbers or fractional numbers. Okay. Next one is character data types. Character data types are any single alphanumeric symbol enclosed in a single quote is a character constant. For example, A, it is enclosed by a single quote. 5 plus, this is enclosed by a single quote. Here 5 is not the value is 5, it is represent the character constant. There is a difference between 5 and 5. This 5 is character constant and this 5 is numeric data. And next one is arrays. Arrays is a collection of similar data types, or an array is a list of similar rows or columns formed. The elements of an array can be all numeric or character or strings. We can't take the different data types in an array. We can't take the combination of numeric or characters in this array. We only can take all numeric either, or characters either, or string either, but they cannot mixed up. And multidimensional array is array of an array. We can take one array and another array on it. Array of an array is called multidimensional array. If this is two-dimensional, then it is known as matrix. We all are familiar with matrix, like matrix is a combination of rows and columns. And see the example. Example is like we can define an array. Suppose x is equal to 5, 6, 7, 9, 2.5 or 4 plus 3i, all that. We can take only numeric data, but in numeric data we can take decimal points also and complex number also. This is not the restriction. These all are scalars. Next one is string. What is strings? Strings, any two or more alphanumeric symbols enclosed in a single quote is a string. A string is an array of characters. Example, suppose merit. It is also represented in a single quote. This merit is represent a string because it is a combination of characters, right? So merit will store in memory like M, E, R, U and T. It will store it in memory like this form. Now, next one is cell array. What is cell array? Cell array is a combination of both. We can enter in this array both scalars or characters also. This is the facility in MATLAB, and it is also known as higher data types. Cell array is also known as higher data types. For example, suppose Ram 45 or suppose Meerut. Sorry. It is also represented by a curly braces, and Ram is a string data, 45 is a scalar data, and Meerut is also string data. We can take mixed data in cell array. So this is a higher data types. Now structures. Structures is a very convenient data type because we can take like cell array, we can take a combination of both, but a structure is a data types to store various related data types using meaningful fields names. Field's name means कि suppose we are creating a table, so we will give some column names. So this is the column name, suppose village, and village distance, and state, yeah, district, right? So what is the name of village? What is the distance from the district, and what is state or what is district? State, we can take state, right? So in structures, we can define structures by struct keyword, and writing a struct. After that, we can write a field name village. Then what is the data in this field? Suppose Miranpur, Katra, and what is the distance from district? That is suppose 45, and after that state, that is so village is a field name which is defined in a single quote. Then Miranpur Katra is a data which is entered in the field village, and distance from district, that is 45, 45 is a numeric data, and state, in which state it is existing, that is Uttar Pradesh, and state is also a field name. Distance from district is also a field name, and this is the data which is entered in this field, and Uttar Pradesh is also the data which is entered in state. So we can take field name and data simultaneously in this data types. Now after this data type, variables. What are variables? Variables are in which we can change the values that are called variables. We can give different variables for different data. There are some certain rules for defining a variable in a programming language. There are some certain rules for defining in MATLAB. These are, first one is, a variable name should begin with a letter followed by other letters, digits and underscore. First of all, first rule says variables are started from a letter. This will not started from a number or a symbol. Like suppose we have a variable interest. Interest is a variable, and we can't take interest one interest we can't take, but we can take interest 1. Variable is not accept the blank space of 2 letters, and variable can accept an underscore between two characters or variable can also accept any number of 2 characters. It will not accept any operator like plus, minus, division or multiplication. Now next is the length of variable should be between 1 to 32. The length of variable name should be not more than 32 and should be greater than 1 equal to greater than equal to 1 or more than 1. Now the name of variables are case sensitive. What is the meaning of case sensitive? Case sensitive means the programming language accept if this is A and this is A, these are not equal. That means this is small a means small a and this is capital A means capital A. If I give a variable Si and somewhere programming I write Si, these two are, it will take as a different variable. These are not same because this is capital Si, this is small si. Si, that means simple interest, suppose. Now keyword and program names should be avoided as variable name. Some programming language has some reserved words, keywords. So these words we can't take as a variable. Or suppose we give a name of a variable which is a name of existing program, so it will not accept. So we should avoid to give any variable name as a keyword or a program name. And last point is the variable name should not clash with the name of an already existing functions. Some functions are already existing in MATLAB. Suppose some functions like example we can say floor function, seal function, and some other functions are already existing. So these names are not accepted as a variables. There are many more functions in MATLAB. Some are mathematical functions, logical functions, or other function, trigonometrical functions. These are existing in MATLAB, so we can't give that name as a variable name. Now keywords. Keywords are some reserved words. Keywords are some reserved words in MATLAB. Any programming language have also some keywords. In MATLAB we have 17 keywords. Like some examples are break, case, catch, etc. There are some examples of keywords. These are some examples of keywords, and we can see the keyword by the function is keyword. Is keyword. If we type is keyword in MATLAB, it will display all the keywords which are existing in the MATLAB. So, thank you.